Do you see the growth? Is it giving or is it not giving? Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I am Charlie Zena if this is your first time here, and I'm back again with another video. So today I finally took out my knotless braids, you guys. I did my whole detangling routine, and the most exciting part about this video is that we are gonna do a length check to see how long my hair has grown in the past 8 weeks since I had those knotless braids. So if you're interested in seeing that, let's get right into this video. Alright y'all, just had a moment. I don't know what that was about. I was totally convinced that I was taking these out, and then, you know, I was second guessing myself just now. But I went on Snapchat and I posted a little video, sent it to a couple of people, asked them what should I do. I showed it to them and they said to take them out. So I'm gonna take them out. And yes, I know you're not supposed to leave protective styles in for too long anyways, so here goes nothing. These braids come all the way down past my behind, so I'm definitely gonna cut them. And luckily enough, I got my hair in a different color than my real hair so that I can see very clearly where my hair ends. As you guys can see, my hair is pretty long. It comes down about right here. So I'm gonna give myself a little bit of extra wiggle room and start cutting. Oh my God, here goes nothing. Just checking to make sure I didn't get none of my hair. So the deed is done. They are cut. My hair is actually kind of long, so I'm just gonna start taking these down. Goodness gracious, you guys. It is now 1:10 in the morning. As I was taking them down, I was kind of like finger detangling, and I put them into the twist along the way. Now, in no way, shape, or form is this clean hair. This is very much still very dirty, but you don't see that much dirt in it as you might when you take your braids out. You know how you have, like, I would call it dust. I kind of got all of that out. I do not have any energy to do a wash, like not tonight. I'm gonna have to wait till tomorrow to wash it. So I am going to put this back up into my little ponytail that I had it, and I'm gonna get myself ready for bed. Until tomorrow, you guys. It is the next day. I finally washed my hair, and it took me forever to detangle. I have literally 2 big balls of hair. I actually realized I don't have a deep conditioner, so I did leave my conditioner in for just a little bit longer, so it's kind of gonna make for a deep condition. And I have this hair towel in. I absolutely love these hair towels. I got them from Amazon. I'm actually gonna link them for you guys down below. They are microfiber, and they have this button at the back so you can kind of just twist it, and they work amazing. And they come in a pack of 3, so I'm gonna link these for you guys down below. This is a good old-fashioned paper bag that I have on top of my head with my conditioner in it. So in a minute I'm gonna go and wash this conditioner out, but I did want to show you guys basically what my hair looks like, and I have it in these twists. I definitely do want to clip these ends a little bit. Actually, let's do that right now before I take the twist out. Alright, so I use these scissors. I don't think these are specifically hair shears, but they're very close. I'm going to retwist this and clip these ends. And actually, I'm going to do a little bit more detangling. I just want to get a brush through, like a good brush through. There we go, it's getting there. There we go. Now that my hair is detangled, there's actually not that much like breakage on the ends. It was just a lot of shedding that I had that was causing the tangles on my ends. Here are the ends. See a little tiny string? I'm just gonna cut that off. And just that small trim right there makes the ends look so much better, so much more healthier. And I literally cut off like a ½ centimeter. So I guess I'm gonna do this to all 4 parts, and then I'm gonna take all of them out. I would have to say my hair definitely grew. Okay, so you can see there's a little string. I'm gonna cut that. Just cut that off. This ball of hair came from just me taking the braids out. And then this ball of hair came from when I was in the shower detangling. They're about the same size. And then this ball of hair is what just now came out. But I do feel like with the fact that my hair was in those braids for 8 entire weeks, that's a fair amount of shedding that's naturally gonna happen. Every week your hair is going to shed. I think I'm finally done with the whole washing and treating process. Okay. I can see a little strand here. Good. So here are the girls. Here are the girls. Here are the curls. Let's do a little front length check. How far down does it go? I want y'all to actually be able to see it this time, because before when I did it, you couldn't even see because it was out the camera. Oh. I'm gonna be doing a wash and go just because I don't want to put any like tension on it. I don't want to put twist in it. I just really wanted to let it live and let it hang. So yeah, I'm gonna just do 4 big parts, and I'm gonna go in with my absolute favorite. I usually put this in water, but I'm actually gonna put this in my hair alone. I'm gonna kind of get it in there alone. I'm gonna go in with my Aunt Jackie's elongating gel, and then since I have this, I also want to try a wash and go with this mousse. This is the mousse that I was using to basically keep my braids in for as long as I did. I will put that on the hair, and I feel like this is probably gonna work really well, so I'm gonna top it off with this. I think I like what that mousse is doing. Alright, so I'm gonna go off and I'm gonna do all 4 sections, and I'll be right back to show you the finished application of those 3 products. Alright you guys, so this is what we have. All of the products is throughout my entire hair. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like my hair is actually feeling very thick and luscious. I honestly thought it was gonna be kind of thin because of all the breakage, but it's really not. And I'm actually very happy with how this looks. I see some length going on, you know. I like it. So when this dries, I'm gonna stretch it and everything and show you guys my finished look, my first style that I do to my natural hair. All right, you guys, so this is the final look. I finished my hair, I stretched it out. This is actually the next day, and I fell asleep and had to stretch it again today, so I do have a little bit of frizz, but at the end of the day, I think the curls are still looking good. I'm seeing a little bit of length come in there. But yes, I'm loving it. Do you guys see the length? Do you see the growth? Is it giving or is it not giving? Alright, so that brings us to the end of this video. I really hope you enjoy watching and seeing how my hair turned out after having those knotless braids in for 8 whole weeks. I think it grew, and I feel like the mousse that I put in my wash and go yesterday actually gave me more volume. I'll probably be using mousse in my wash and goes from now on after that. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I cannot wait to see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.